we're gonna be making some gingerbread cookies. And before this video, make sure you comment, like, subscribe. And guess what, guys? I got my new merch. I got my new website, but I'm gonna explain that later. So comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, so we're making gingerbreads, and my friend's over in the corner. We're gonna film him. We're gonna film him sometimes, like he said. So now, the first thing we're gonna do is, pour 3 cups of flour. So here we go.
Oh.
Cups of flour. We're gonna use ground ginger. Ground allspice. Ground nutmeg. Say that 5 times.
All right.
Okay, sorry. Seriously. Grandma's molasses. Baking soda. Okay. And then we got ground cinnamon.
All right. Let's get it.
Okay. That's what we're gonna do is pour this. Okay, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Sorry. Cinnamon.
Oh, okay. You got
Cinnamon.
What we got going in? Hey.
We'll put some baking soda. Okay. Okay, that's enough. How many spoons?
Okay.
Let's be easy.
Yeah. Alright, so let's put your top on the. That's it.
And salt in the large bowl, and that's it.
Wait, salt?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, we're gonna put the brown sugar. Wow. You wanna move it?
That's not how you do it. That's not how you do it.
That's all yolks. This is how you put molasses.
All right.
Oh, God. So we got pretty stuck, but you know, we still got a sheep, we still gonna clutch up. You know me, positive vibes, we're gonna still go, you know, try to make. Okay.
Wow.
Okay. Alright. Oh, this smells so good.
So the cookies are done.
Oh, the cookies are done. Done. I'm about to taste one. You ready?
Alright.
I'm kind of scared because I don't even like pumpkins.
What?
Oh, no, sorry. Ginger, sorry. Dang, this is so embarrassing. So yeah, ginger. I give it a 5 out of 10. Cause, like, it tastes like oatmeal mixed with a lot of ginger. Now, if these were chocolate chip, if I saw all them cookies, I'd be like, these are just not my type of tea. Thank you guys for watching, and also guys, check out my new channel, out my new website, Shop UNAU, The Ultimate Adventures in You. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.